Pingu, reporting please.
Yes, sir. Pingu here.
Pingu, what are you thinking? That take was too fast, upside down and black or white.
I will try again. What do you want me to do?
There's no need to too fast, upside down and black or white. Just trying to be normal and slow down too.
Okay then, let me try again.
Come on, Pingu, you can better than that.
What's wrong with that? I was happy with that. I felt it was good enough.
That's not good enough, that's nearly good enough. This time you're going too slow. Try again.
Is that any better, sir?
That was good, and mainly it's not the colors are out of line. I thought you were mainly red all over.
Sorry, sir. I'm feeling a little sick.
You shouldn't be at home to feel illness. You should be working. You shouldn't feel well.
Okay, let me give it another go, sir.
Okay, Pingu. This is take 4. Action, please.
Ouch, sir.
There was a problem with the cameras at the end. The cameraman people in the pixelated in the take. We fix it now.
I'm glad about that. I'm happy to give it one more go, sir.
Oh yeah. Cameras ready? This is take 5. Stand by. And action. Cut that. That was really good. Let's print that. Thank you very much. How was that, sir? How was so good enough? Do you know, Pingu? I just love that already. Thank you very much, sir. I'm pitched. May I go now? Yep, you may go now. Thank you, Pingu. You may go now.